Fake Rockstar episode 7. You know, one of my dream cars is a Jeep Gladiator. Now, they did wind up taking the original 7-slot grill off and they gave it the Angry Bird grill. Also, you know what I'm looking for? Chunky tires. You know what I'm saying? They extend past the body of the car. Got a step rail right here. Now, I love this. I love this cover for the flatbed. The only thing it needed was a soft top. It's a hard top though. We got a Red Bull, no Monster, no Rockstar, but somebody at GTA 6 is playing Grand Theft Auto 6 right now. Red Bull gives you... What we're gonna do is unbox these headphones. And what caught my attention, if you played the Game Boy Advance, it had that purple translucent one. Yeah, this reminds me of that, because I could have got black. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to record a video walking to see if the audio is going to come through the headphones and or the phone and see how well that it sounds. Because also, it's supposed to have 24 plus hours of Bluetooth playtime, a whole day. It says IP55, sweat and splash proof. I be saying IP7, I don't know. Google Fast Pair, what the fuck? This is an iPhone, I don't know, so it might not be working that well. Active noise canceling beware mode for safe listening. Connect to multiple Bluetooth devices. Clear calls and noise canceling mics. We are about to see. And it's supposed to be like a mini. You know, we were on a minimalist travel vlog, so let me just see. Ooh, nice. Look at that. This is a 12-ounce Rockstar can for size reference. Look at that. That's awesome. And USB-C, so it's going to work well. Hold on. The kickstand matters. The kickstand matters. But that's going to work well with this one because it has the USB-C. Port that also matches the phone. So I'm gonna test these out and then see how this goes. All right, they're connected. Noise cancellation is ass. It don't cancel no fucking noise. I can't tell the difference between noise cancellation is on or off, and be aware. I can't tell the difference between none of that shit. It don't bump. It don't bump. No B2K. It don't be thumping. But at least you can hear some shit. It's like, it ain't like scratchy or nothing like that, so they're okay. Like, it's not amazing, but they're okay. Like, so now I just played back the video, and the mic is alright. The mic quality is alright. I'm okay with that. This motherfucking shit just fell out my ear, and if it would have went over the bridge. Just in case I have to further this later.